Hello everyone, it's me Soham Patil. Just I finished my 10th from Ullas Vidyalay, and also I am student of Zero to Hero Institute of English speaking from Gold Batch. My ambition is to become computer engineer in my life, and also I want to become English confident till 7th of October 2023. So today I am going to take interview of a mechanical engineer, and I'm very blessed he give his precious time for my little bit questions. So I'm requesting you please give your introduction.
Yeah, thanks for your time. My name is Dhanraj Patil, and I'm basically from Ullasnagar only. I have studied in Yashwant Vidyalaya only. After my 10th, I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering, as well as I have completed my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering in 2017 only.
Okay. So my first question to you, that is, what is your education? Means what kind of education you took for becoming a mechanical engineer?
Yeah. So as I said, I have completed my bachelor's and diploma in mechanical engineering. So basically, as you may be aware of that, key in engineering we have a lot of practicals and all these things we have to perform. So we have taken that kind of education in our engineering time.
Okay, great. And next question to you, that is, who is your inspiration? Means to whom you got inspired for becoming a mechanical engineer?
Yeah, so that is actually quite good question. So actually, from childhood days only, I was a bit interested in railways. So from that point only, I have decided that I will do job in railways only. So for that reason, I have choose mechanical engineering as an my subject in my academics.
Yes, great. As you told, you like railways, and you have that hobbies for railways, and you choose career related to, yeah, that what you like. So it's really a very nice thing. Next question to you: what is your family background? Means your mother, father was supportive or not for your success, for your career? That's all.
Yeah, actually, we are four members in our family. My mother, father, and my sister. So basically, my mother is an housewife, and my father is working in one of the private school, working as peon in one of the private school. My sister is working as an analyst in Accenture company. And all of the three members are very supportive to me, because they have supported me at each and every point of time when while studying or anything where at any point of time they have supported me.
Yes, really, when total world get opposite to us, then only our family members are there who with us. So it's really very nice thing. Next question to you, that is, to whom you want to give credit for your great success?
Yeah, it is bit obvious that I will give my credit to my mother and father, because all the thing like which are required for me, they have provided me all the my support, and they have given all the required education and financial help to me.
Yes, great. Next question to you, that is, what do you think? English is important or not?
Yeah, actually, English is important in our life, because as we can see, English is a globally accepted language, and it is used in almost all of the globally accepted companies, or we can say in MNCs. Also, in lot of in multiple audit firms, English is a mandatory language. So basically, English is most important language to learn. To learn as well as to speak English is quite interesting and quite important for us to become successful in our life.
Yes, English is really very important. In student life, we didn't understand the value of English, but when we go for interviews and when we got something like convent colleges, at that time we get no value of the English, and at that time required of we need English at that time. So it's really very
Yeah,
nice.
actually, one more point I have to add, or I want to add that basically we all are from Marathi medium only.
Yes.
Even I am also from Marathi medium. So while studying in school days or in Marathi medium, at that time we are literally hesitate to speak in English. How can I be? I will able to sustain in English? How can I able to speak, and how I'll become successful to speak in English and like that. But it is not actually that much difficult or hesitating which we are thinking actually. If we have tried or if we can say if we have tried to learn English, or we just read the English every day, or will try to speak in English, then I think it is quite possible or not impossible thing to learn the English, and anyone can learn and speak English in uh, very little time by giving much, or we can say effective efforts.
Yes, as you told, English we can learn by practice, because English is that language which we can't learn by writing or not by hearting. We that English we can learn by only listening, and obviously practice, because if you want to ride cycle, if you want to learn ride cycle, and if you're not doing practice, so it's you can't ride cycle in your life. So as really very nice, and this related to this point, I also share one point. Marathi medium students generally face lot of challenges of English. First thing is that they didn't have proper environment, means they are living with those people who don't have serious about English, who don't have clarity of English, even they didn't think about English. So that's why they are also can't become English confident, or they can't learn English. So that's why, and really we should change our environment, and that's it. Next question to you, that is uh, why you choose only this mechanical field?
Yeah. So as I said, I want to get into Indian Railways from childhood days only. So that's why I choose mechanical engineering as and my subject. And I have tried to get into railways as well. So after my mechanical engineering, I did 2 to 3 years of studies for government examinations. But unfortunately, I'm not able to get into railways, and due to that I have to I have to make some another plan for me to get into success, because we cannot say ki if we have to do any one thing, then it should be complete only for, because for anything we have two ways, or we can say we should have backup in our mind. So at that point I choose my backup plan. And after that, in COVID era, I mean in the COVID wala thing, COVID year, I choose some different thing, or we can say I have joined some post graduation certification of data analytics course. And in that course I have learned lot of things related to data analyst. I think you will be aware that data analyst is in boom nowadays.
Yes.
So I choose that field as my career, because that is also quite interesting to work in Excel, or I think college student, or we can say school student, may not be aware of that, but as soon as days pass you will be aware of data analytics field. So this field also is a very attractive and interesting field to get into our work. So I choose this field in COVID era, and now I'm working as analyst in one of the company named as Ernst and Young.
Okay, great. You told that topic is really very nice. We should have two things. First thing is that first thing means our main thing. We should focus on that, and unfortunately we can't become that. We can't achieve our that goal. So we should have something other backup. So it's a really very nice planning.
Yeah.
And yes.
One more point I am able to add that. So I think when I was like after completing my 10th standard, when I was in first semester of diploma, at that time because as I said ki I am from pure Marathi medium, I even not having semi English wala thing. So at that time in my first semester of diploma, whole English was there in all my subjects, and I was literally hesitate ki like how can I will be able to success, and how I be able to pass that examination. So in my first semester of attend, I was getting like I think I got only 54% of marks in my first semester. But at that time my mother has encouraged me to encouraged me to learn all these things. She encouraged me to learn English, and she has given many ways to learn, and she encouraged me every time. So at that time after my first semester I tried to learn English very well, though I was was not able to speak at that time English very well, but I can able to understand, learn and understand the thing. So in my second semester, when I was like I have given my examination, so I will be able to get first class with good marks. So we can say that from these incidents I want to add that though you are failure, or though you are getting less marks, or though you are not able to get English in your first attempt, you should have to practice and learn the thing anytime. So after your learning, or after you are practicing, you will always be successful person in your life.
Yes, great. As you told, you are from pure Marathi medium, but also we can see your result, how much fluency you have, and in English. So it's really your hard work and your mom dad support. And thank you so much for your precious time, for my little bit questions. And it's a very different experience for me. And thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.